This is the world's most expensive moussaka, 424 euros. I'm not joking, but I'll explain everything to you. Shalom everyone, and shalom to you, Greece. It's been a long time since traveling because of, you know what, the pandemic. But you know what, it's always good to slowly get back to normal and relax. I'm in Santorini right now, a Greek island. It has a very interesting story. I'll tell you all about it. It's only approximately a 2-hour flight from Israel. I've always wanted to visit this place. I've seen pictures of the white buildings, the ocean, and now we are here. The reason I chose Greece is first of all because it's an amazing destination, but also because they are a good friend to Israel, so we Israelis love to visit here. Santorini is an island created by volcanic eruption. It's interesting because this entire island was created by layers of lava from overlapping shield volcanoes. This is why all the beaches around here are either black or red, all naturally formed by volcanoes. I'm in Oya City right now, which is on the tip of this island. It's also known as the Sunset Town because here you get to have amazing sunsets. And if you're visiting here and you want to eat a nice dinner, please be sure to reserve your table because they will not have rooms for you. Santorini is known for its white buildings, great food, great wine, beautiful churches, and amazing sunsets. The white and blue colors are very popular on Greek islands. Their houses are colored in white and blue, as well as their flag. No wonder why Israelis love to visit Greece. We also love the blue and white colors. Our flag also have only blue and white. So this is the beach on the Santorini island, but one thing that I have to say is that as you can see, there is no sand here. It's kind of rocky, so it's really cool that they were able to inhabit here, build homes, and have tourists like us. Oh, and one thing about the people, but let's keep this between us. Locals here are so nice. And they love, especially when you respond to them in Greek and say thank you. They love when I say thank you in Greek, which is efharisto. I hope I said it right. The Greek language in general sounds very different. It sounds like no other language. So to conclude this, yes, it's definitely worth visiting this paradise here. It is Europe, but it definitely feels like the Middle East. So goodbye Greece, and let me know in the comments where I should go next. So fast forward, I'm in Israel, and let me tell you about this story because this is real. It's not clickbait. Basically, we went to this restaurant in Santorini. I got recommendations to eat moussaka, which is a Greek dish. Amazing dish, by the way, as you can see in this video. But little did I know is that this is what I paid. When I looked at the menu, it was 24 euros. So, you know, this is kind of reasonable, a little bit expensive. I don't think Greeks would pay that much for moussaka. And then after we finished eating, I asked for the check and I paid. But I did not see the receipt. I just put it in the bag and we started to go to travel. But thank goodness that the waiter noticed that he made a mistake. He basically overcharged me for this moussaka. Instead of 24 euros, he put 424 euros. So that's a lot of money for a moussaka. So then the waiter started to run after us down the street and he like tapped my shoulder. He was like, hey, excuse me. At first I was like, what's going on? Like I heard, hey. I ignored it because I assumed that it's not for me because I didn't do anything. And then like I see the waiter and he like saying, follow me, come back. And I'm like thinking in my head, you know, did we do something wrong? But then turns out that, you know, he overcharged us. So this is the moussaka story, but yeah, and then like he refunded. So conclusion, whenever you eat or buy something outside, always check the receipt. Never put this immediately in your bag because if not this waiter, I would never see that I was overcharged for this moussaka. So this is my world's most expensive moussaka in Santorini, Greece.